Welcome back. More people living in Polk County are getting infected with coronavirus, and with the holiday weekend upon us, public health officials are concerned that we will see even more problems potentially in July. Joining us now is Nola Eigner-Davis with the Polk County Health Department. And Nola, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
So here we go, the holiday weekend coming up real quickly. It is summertime. People are going outside. They want to be outside. The virus still very much here. Are you guys just kind of taking a deep breath as we sail into this big holiday weekend?
You know, over the last 7 days, Jack, we have seen about a 20% increase in our cases. And that is especially worrisome to us as we are going into a holiday where we tend to spend a lot of time with our family and friends. So I think this is a really great opportunity to talk to our viewers and make sure they understand the importance of that. This virus is not going away, and it's going to be here for a long time.
Yep. And here we are with the weekend. People will congregate in parks, beaches, bars. We have a huge car show scheduled in Des Moines. We have a big biker rally coming up in Algona, Iowa, where they're expecting thousands of people. What do you hope that Iowans will be doing if they choose to attend these events?
I think one of the biggest things that we really encourage people is to think about the decisions they make. And I think what you need to realize is what you're doing now, what you're doing over the weekend, that can really affect everyone else around you. So think about you going out somewhere and then you go see someone maybe who is elderly, maybe someone who has an underlying health condition. Not only are you putting yourself at risk, but you're putting your loved ones and your community at risk. So I think it really goes to the old adage of just because we can do something, should we do it? I think it's really smart to think about who we're around and who we come in contact with every day, and if that is going to really impact their health as well.
If there's an event where they're expecting thousands of people, is there a safe way for an Iowan to go and be responsible, or would you just prefer they don't go at all?
I mean, I think that one of the safest things that we can say is don't go. But if you're going to go, you need to think about wearing a mask. A mask is your first line of defense to keep yourself healthy. So you need to wear that mask that whole time. If possible, social distance yourself. That 6 feet is very important. Wash your hands often. If you don't have soap or running water, make sure you always have hand sanitizer on you. And if you're feeling sick at all, don't go anywhere. But again, think about really if it doesn't seem right, and if it seems like it might cause an issue to our health or anyone else's health, we should really rethink our decisions.
Iowans and people across the country seem very vigilant, particularly in March and April, about all these practices. Do you think the need for the level of vigilance is just as high, if not higher, right now?
You know, I think maybe some of us are starting to get COVID fatigue. And what I mean by that is we're living under new guidance, new rules. This is our new normal. We've never had to wear masks before. We've never had to social distance, or businesses or places we'd like to go to have shut down. I think that we need to really remember that we put these guidance in place for a reason. In public health, we know that wearing a mask, we know that social distancing, we know that going to certain places helps us to stay healthy. And I think if we as a community continue to practice those mitigation strategies, that's going to be really beneficial in preventing the spread. If we don't, COVID-19 is not going to leave Iowa, especially central Iowa, for a long time.
Well, that's all Iowans should need to hear right there, and we certainly hope that they do heed your words. Nola Eigner-Davis with the Polk County Health Department, thanks once again for being with us.
Thank you.